Hello everyone, this is Nick from TSPROF. I hope you all are doing well. Today we finally sum up the results of our Pioneer giveaway, and we want to thank each of you who joined us this time. So all you needed to do was to leave your comment about TSPROF sharpening and to be subscribed to our YouTube channel if you are not yet. There is only one winner, and he gets our new TSPROF Pioneer sharpening kit. To find the winner, we're going to be using a mobile app called You2Gift. It assigns a number to each comment depending on the date of publishing. The newest comment is considered as number 1. It will automatically select a random number and show us whether a user is subscribed. There is only one attempt. Good luck to everyone. It's number 54, and the winner is Welcoming. So all congratulations, you get TSPROF Pioneer sharpening kit. So we're gonna contact you shortly via the email you indicated in your YouTube profile. Thank you once again for participation. Very soon we're gonna announce our next giveaway, so follow our updates. Take care and stay sharp.